We are covering ICast 2020, their virtual event, with our ICast online show here on Weekend Sportsman. Next, we're going to be looking at Eagle Claw. Eagle Claw's got a variety of different things that they've introduced at the show. There's a couple of products I wanted to feature. First off, Eagle Claw's got a couple of fishing kits, and this particular one is the Eagle Claw Lazer Sharp Ultimate Kit that has pretty much everything you would need with the hooks and such for different types of fishing. These kits, why I wanted to feature this is that this is a great gift for giving to someone that maybe there's some children in your neighborhood who aren't into fishing. This is the type of kit that you can give to them. You can go buy and give it to them as a gift to get them out there and get them fishing, because it has pretty much everything except line and a rod. And those you can usually pick up pretty inexpensively here or there, or you have an extra one. But a little kit like this would get them started, and I think Eagle Claw putting that together, it's a fabulous idea, and hats off to them. By the way, eagleclaw.com, go out there and check it out. There's a couple more products. Let's take a look at some more. Eagle Claw, of course, is well known for their fish hooks. They have hooks for all types of purposes. Definitely something to check out. They are one of the standards when it comes to the fish hooks in the fishing industry. Eagle Claw also features some weedless different jig heads, as you're seeing right here. Not only do we have the little weedless wire there, so it can keep the weeds flowing past the hook, we also have the little barbs on the shank of the hook, just below the head, that will hold our plastics on a little bit better. And we've got those great shiny eyes that are going to be attracting fish as it swims through the water. For the ice fisherman, Eagle Claw has a variety of different kits available. This particular one is the ICJK1 Glow Jig Kit. A lot of ice fishermen like these little kits where they can put their little jigs in that and put them in their pocket. They've got a variety of different ones available. Some are glow, some are UV. Definitely check those out on the website. The link for Eagle Claw is in the description below. Go out to eagleclaw.com and you can check out their full line of hooks. As you can see from the picture here, they've got a lot of products and a lot of SKUs out there. This is John Young with the Weekend Sportsman covering ICast 2020.